Your professor has assigned you the task of creating a video. You've recorded the video, but now you need to share it, either just with your professor or perhaps the rest of the class. This tutorial shows you how. Because you're a student at Canisius, you have a special version of Google Drive with unlimited storage. This is the best place to store and share videos. You can share it directly with class members using Google Drive, or you can host it here and share it in Desire to Learn if your instructor requires that it appear in the D2L course site. Either way, Google Drive handles video very well. From a PC or Mac computer, the simplest way to get any file, videos included, into Google Drive is to drag them into the browser window from some location locally on your computer. This can be a File Explorer or Finder window or your desktop. If you have a small laptop screen, it may be easier to use a dialog box. Click the red New button, File Upload, locate the video on your laptop's hard drive, select it, and click Open. In either case, give Google Drive a chance to upload the file. Video files are some of the biggest, so this may take several minutes. After the video is uploaded, you'll see the file within Google Drive and can even open up a viewer screen by clicking on it. But Google Drive needs a few minutes to process the video so it can play. Be patient. Large videos can take some time. After you're sure the video plays properly, you can share it. Perhaps the assignment stipulates you are to share it with your professor only. That's easy. The Share button is located in several places. I usually right-click on the file itself and choose it from the context menu. In the resulting dialog box, I'll type in my professor's email address. Then I click Send. My professor will receive an email notification and will now find my video in her Shared with Me section of Google Drive. Using this simple procedure, I have shared this video only with my professor. No one else, including my classmates or anyone else at Canisius College, can get to this video. But suppose your professor asked you to share your video with classmates via Google Drive. In that case, your professor has probably created a common folder that she or he has shared with the entire class. Then the procedure is very simple. Find that folder in the Shared with Me section. Drag it out to your My Drive area and perhaps into a folder you've created specifically for this course. Then, simply drag your video file into the shared folder for that assignment. In Google Drive, files and folders inherit the sharing permissions of their parent folder. So when I moved this video file into this folder that my professor shared with the entire class, the file also became available to the entire class. This is handy for situations like this, where we can all share videos very quickly with one another. But generally, when using Google Drive, be aware of this feature so you know when and with whom you are sharing files. Your professor might have told you to share your video via Desire to Learn. That's helpful if the class is to comment on or discuss each other's videos. Your professor will probably have set up a discussion topic within D2L for this purpose. Here, you simply add your Google Drive video. To add a video to D2L, I must first set the sharing permissions in Google Drive so that the video will appear to my fellow classmates. If my professor set up a sharing folder for all of us to put our videos into, then this job is practically done. I simply need to add the video to that folder. But if there is no such sharing folder, I'll need to set the sharing stipulations on my video myself. I could do this by adding all my classmates' email addresses in the sharing dialog box. But there's a quicker way. Click Advanced. Then, to the right of where it is currently set to Private or Specific People, click Change. Choose Anyone at Canisius College with the link. Click Save. Google has now activated this sharing link. I'll copy this to paste it into a discussion post in Desire to Learn. Anyone who can see and click this link can get to the video, provided they've logged in through My Canisius. Going back to D2L, I'll go to the discussion topic set up for collecting videos. There, I click Start a New Thread. I'll give the post a name. In the body of the message, I'll click the Link button. Then I choose URL. I'll paste in the video's URL or web address in the appropriate box. In the other box, labeled Title, I'll put text in that will appear highlighted as the link. I'll choose New Window so that the video player opens outside the D2L window. That'll make sure it works and is handy for my fellow students. Then I click Insert. After that, I click Post to create the discussion post. Now I'm all set. My video is hosted in Google Drive and linked in D2L, where all members of my class can find it and view it.